So once you click on the 3df link, this is the home page that's going to open, right? Step one is to upload the data. You can do it either through a Microsoft Excel template or a Google Sheet. Now let's say I open the Google Sheet. I make a copy of the Google Sheet. And this is what opens, right? Now, the difference between the MOY tracker and the EOY tracker is that in the MOY tracker, you only had to put the final marks. This EOY tracker is what we had last year. Just say last year we used to put the skills, the marks, similar, the same way we have to do it here as well. I'm not going to go through the box part of it because all of you already know how to fill that, right? Once my data is updated, like once I upload the data and the status shows complete here, I go back to this particular page and I move to my step 2, which is fill in the downloaded or the copy template file. How do I do that is in my step 3, where I'm clicking on this particular link to submit my form, right? So I go to add file. If it is a Google Sheet, then it will be from on your drive. If it is your Microsoft Excel, then you upload it from your device, right? You select files from your device and then you click on upload. Once you click on upload, your step 4 is to go check your mail to see if if you have uploaded the form successfully or not. You receive that status. Is that clear to everyone?